All right, Lucas, we've just heard lockdown number 5. It's Thursday here, Melbourne, always happening. There is no JobKeeper this time, so if ever you needed a second income, now was the time. How do people do it? You know, what are some of the options out there?
Well, the best option, James, that one that I'm very accustomed to, is having an investment property, creating that second income. Like you said, this time around, there's no handouts, and those people that have got investment properties are lucky enough to have that stream of income coming in week after week after week. And a lot of my clients actually in Sydney that they've been locked down for 3 weeks, they've all been sort of calling me and sending me SMSs. So yeah.
I mean, it is nice to think that, you know, if you're working in hospitality or events or whatever it is that you're totally shut down, that you've still got, you know, every month, every week, whenever it is, you know, money coming into your bank account to just get you through these tough times.
100% right. And it's not just the money that's coming in now, James, but we've seen through these lockdowns that property values have not dropped. They've actually increased at a staggering rate.
I mean, arguably it's potentially one of the biggest booms we've had, you know, probably in our lifetimes. I'd say now it's bigger than the post-GFC was. So, you know, for everyone out there that's thinking about it, you know, how much do you actually need to be able to get into an investment property?
Well, not much at all, really. A lot of people are doing it with a 10% deposit. If you're a first home buyer, even less. But 10% deposit to get into a property, to create that stream of income every month is what you need. And if you've got an existing property, which most of the investors do have, you don't even need money. You just use that property as equity and borrow against it.
Now, I know you're a big believer in all things that are numbers, tax and so forth is your forte. There's even benefits there as well you can get, isn't there, that can help generate some more tax refunds even potentially, which is more cash in your pocket.
Correct. The depreciation that you get from a property is quite high. So at the end of the year, when you do your tax returns, the benefits are huge. You basically claim back on everything.
All right, so guys, you've heard it here. This is one way to help you get through lockdown. So it doesn't matter whether you're just thinking about buying your first property, you already own one, or you could be a seasoned investor. Now is a great time to think about supplementing your income, getting that consistent, steady income stream. So how do you do it? Well, it's really simple. Get in contact with us. We can help you through wherever you are in that stage and start collecting that cash now.
That's right, James. It is not just about now, but you don't know what the future holds. And it's for people that setting themselves in the future. So if anything like this ever does happen again, as we've seen the last 18 months, they've got that stability and insurance.
All right, thanks everyone, and we'll see you hopefully in 5 days' time.
See you later.